A drone light show stands at the intersection of cutting-edge technology, creative artistry, and rigorous planning. Bringing such a spectacular display to life involves a detailed 7-stage process that focuses on every aspect, from initial concept to post-show analysis. This meticulous journey ensures not only visual marvel, but also operational safety, technical precision, and complete alignment with the client's goals. It all begins with concept development and client coordination. The process starts when a client approaches with the idea of a drone light show, which may serve as a grand highlight for an event, whether it be branding for a major corporation, the climax of a music festival, the opening of a public space, or the halftime spectacle at a sports event. Understanding the event's purpose is crucial, as it dictates the tone, scale, and visual messaging of the show. Early meetings are geared toward gathering all pertinent details: the date and time of the event, precise location, estimated number of drones, show duration, and the core messages or logos that must be delivered to the audience. Once the basic brief is gathered, a thorough feasibility study is conducted. The event's location is assessed for adequate flight space, considering terrain, surrounding buildings, and proximity to sensitive infrastructure. Local weather trends are analyzed, factoring in prevailing winds, likely precipitation, and visibility conditions that could impact both performance quality and safety. The team reviews local airspace regulations, ensuring there are no conflicts with airports or restricted fly zones, and begins to gauge the preliminary budget, technical requirements, and any logistical constraints. With a solid grasp of the project's viability, the team crafts a detailed proposal outlining the concept, cost breakdowns, and expected deliverables. Upon client approval, a contract is formalized. This document sets out clear timelines, responsibilities, the scope of work, and risk management procedures, ensuring all parties have a mutual understanding before production begins. Design and content creation follow, marking the transition from planning to imagination. Visual designers, in close collaboration with show directors, begin storyboarding each sequence of the show. They craft the outlines for aerial artwork, logos, animated icons, characters, and vivid effects, always considering clarity, visibility, and how each formation will appear from various audience perspectives. Next, specialists turn static art into dynamic motion. Using sophisticated animation and flight path software, they map out precise three-dimensional trajectories for each individual drone, programming them with millisecond-level accuracy to avoid collisions and enable seamless shape transitions. If the show is set to music, meticulous synchronization ensures that every visual movement is perfectly timed to emotional beats and cues. With animation complete, virtual simulations are run to preview the show in real time. Here, designers, directors, and technical leads scrutinize each detail. Are the images sharp enough at distance? Do animations flow smoothly? Can the drones maintain safe separation throughout? Feedback from these tests fuels iterative refinements, pushing the design to its highest standard before moving to on-site execution. The third stage, hardware and software preparation, brings the vision into the real world. Selecting and preparing the required number of drones is crucial. Each drone is checked for mechanical fitness. Batteries are tested for charge and cycle health, motors and propellers for wear, LEDs for brightness, and GPS units and sensors for responsive accuracy. Backup drones are readied to replace any that failed during setup or pre-show checks. Central to the operation is the control system, which consists of a highly reliable command station, ground-based GPS antennas, communication links, and robust flight software. All drones are synchronized, firmware's updated, and the entire flight script is uploaded, ensuring everything functions in concert. Safety redundancies, including interference monitoring devices, linked communication systems, and real-time flight trackers, are deployed to give the team as much situational awareness as possible. Long before the event date, securing permissions and coordinating with local authorities is essential. Detailed applications are filed with aviation authorities, including maps of the designated area, maximum flight altitudes, date and duration, and technical details of the operation. Additional meetings with police, fire safety, medical teams, and venue security are held to coordinate access, brief on emergency procedures, and develop a comprehensive response plan in the event of technical or crowd incidents. On the day of the show, on-site deployment begins with an exhaustive site inspection and setup. The designated flight zone is carefully marked, along with safe perimeters for audience and restricted staff-only takeoff and landing zones. Control stations and transmission equipment are positioned for optimal communication, while charging hubs keep batteries topped up for seamless show execution. Multiple dry runs and real-time environmental checks ensure conditions are suitable and that all systems are functioning as intended. Before the countdown begins, the operations team holds a final briefing. Responsibilities are reviewed, contingency plans reiterated, and everyone, from pilots to technicians to supervisors, clarifies their role should an unexpected scenario arise. This level of coordination is crucial for maintaining safety and operational excellence. When showtime arrives, all systems are activated. Batteries are fully charged, communication lines open, and if any late changes come from the client or site conditions, last-minute adjustments are uploaded to the drones. The performance unfolds as hundreds or thousands of drones lift off in synchronized harmony, maneuvering with precision to paint glowing shapes across the night sky. Throughout, technical staff monitor every drone via real-time feeds, ready to intervene if any issue arises. As the final formation fades and the crowd's applause echoes, the job is not yet finished. The post-show evaluation phase begins with systematic retrieval of every drone, inspecting each for any signs of damage or malfunction. Battery levels, component integrity, and flight logs are reviewed and documented, ensuring that any unit requiring maintenance is promptly identified. With equipment accounted for, the team assembles for a debrief. The performance is analyzed in detail, the successes, any deviations from the plan, and safety incidents, however minor. These insights are recorded in order to refine procedures and elevate future shows. Finally, a detailed report is drafted for the client, including technical metrics, high-quality show footage, and a review of the project's outcomes. Feedback from the client and the audience is gathered, closing the loop and sparking the creative engine for the next mesmerizing drone light show. Ultimately, a drone light show is far more than a fleeting spectacle. It's the culmination of rigorous planning, technological mastery, artistic vision, and unwavering attention to safety. Each stage demands excellence and collaboration, ensuring every performance leaves a lasting impact and sets new standards for awe-inspiring entertainment.